On May 12, 2025, the UK government released a comprehensive white paper titled Restoring Control over Immigration System. This document highlights radical reforms aimed at reducing net migration and strengthening border controls in the United Kingdom. The focus is on attracting high-skilled individuals who contribute significantly to the UK's economy and society. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into the significant changes to the UK's immigration system as outlined in this 2025 white paper. Because truly, these reforms have profound implications for us as immigrants, and it is really crucial to understand what they mean for you. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel I share all about immigrant lifestyle in the United Kingdom. So if this video resonates with you or any other of my videos, make sure that you click on the like button, leave me a comment below, and share this with somebody. Just a quick disclaimer that I am not an immigration lawyer. The information provided in this video is based on publicly available resources, and it is for informational purposes only. So for personalized advices, please consult a qualified immigration professional. So now let's break down the major changes in this white paper. Extended residency requirements. The path to indefinite leave to remain (ILR) has been extended from 5 years to 10 years for migrants. However, those who have significant contributions to the UK will be able to get their ILR sooner. Another thing is higher skill thresholds. So the definition of skilled worker now requires qualification at RQF level 6, which is graduate level or above. And additionally, the immigration salary list, which previously allowed for salary threshold discounts, has now been abolished. 3. End of overseas recruitment for social care. Right now, new applications for social care visas from abroad has been altered. This means that no more care jobs for people living outside the UK, and existing care workers in the UK can extend their visas until 2028 during a transition period. Also, there is now a stricter English language requirements. So all visa applicants, including dependents, must meet higher English language proficiency standards in order to promote integration. And reforms to student visas. Now, international students will face stricter compliance requirements, and the post-study work period has been reduced from 24 months to 18 months. So all these reforms aim to reduce the UK's reliance on low-skilled migrant labor and to encourage domestic workforce development. Employers will need to invest more in training local staff, and migrants will face longer pathways to settlement. The healthcare sector in particular may experience staffing challenges due to the cessation of overseas recruitment for social care roles. Now, it is important to note that there is a transition period for care workers. Existing care workers in the UK can extend their visas until 2028, providing time for the sector to adjust. Also, migrants who demonstrate significant contributions to the UK economy and society may still qualify for ILR before the 10-year mark. But the question is, what kind of migrants will be in this category? Some sources have said nurses, doctors, and engineers are the ones being referred to in this category, but I'm yet to see a more concrete evidence of the professionals that are included in this category. Although the UK government has extended the time required to qualify for indefinite leave to remain from 5 years to 10 years for most migrants, if you are already a skilled worker in the UK, there's no need to panic. This is because there's a transitional arrangement in place. So basically, you still qualify to apply for your ILR after 5 years if you got your certificate of sponsorship, that is COS, before the 4th of April 2024. You've been a skilled worker since then with no breaks, That means you didn't leave the skilled worker route to go to join the family route or to join a student route. You've maintained that skilled worker visa status. And even if you changed employers, as long as your visa status stayed active, you're fine. So you can still apply for your ILR under the old 5-year rule, but only until the 3rd of April 2030. So basically, if your 5-year anniversary comes before that date, you are good. Just make sure that you don't miss that deadline. If you're planning to migrate to the UK or you are already in the UK, I would say number one, make sure that you stay informed. Regularly check official government sources for updates. Number two, enhance your skills. Focus on acquiring the qualifications that meet the new RQF Level 6 requirements. 3, improve your English proficiency. Prepare for stricter language tests by enrolling in courses or practicing regularly. And also, financial planning is very, very important. You really need to anticipate higher costs associated with application processes for things like your visa and ILR, NHS fees, and things like that. And in addition to all that I have said, I'm going to be leaving a summary of the 2025 white paper on the screen for you to read, and I'll also be leaving it in the comment section and also in the description box below so that you can have a read if you have not. Honestly, navigating these changes can be challenging, but you are not alone. Please join a local immigrant support groups for shared experiences and advice. Make sure that you seek legal guidance from qualified immigration lawyers for personalized advice, and also ensure that you utilize reputable websites and forums to stay updated and informed. Now, I've seen a lot of reactions and videos online about this reform and these old stricter immigrant rules, with many of the videos stating that immigrants are not valued in the United Kingdom, no matter their skills or, whatever they are putting in. But I'm curious, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? What do you think will make us feel more valued as immigrants in the UK or really in any country? I really look forward to reading your comments in the comments section, and I'll see you in these other videos showing on the screen.